Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Wholesome frozen foods, meaning real foods, not processed, that are frozen can be incredibly convenient and trusty time savers in the kitchen. What's more, frozen foods are typically just as nutritious, if not more so, than their fresh counterparts. Woohoo for that. Here are 7 frozen foods that you can always find in my freezer because kitchen life without them just wouldn't be the same. Frozen organic spinach. Remember, spinach is a dark leafy green, so it's one of the healthiest foods you could eat, and you want to get organic because spinach is probably one of the most pesticide-laden of most any food. Convenient salmon burgers. I get these from Costco. Weekend life without them just would be so much more rushed because it's just so easy. They're already cooked. You just take them out, just give them a quick little sear until they're warm all the way through. So convenient. Ground flaxseed is a grand slammer food. I love it in my triple crown trio seed mixture. Butter beans. I'm a 7th generation Charlestonian, so that means I'm a 7th generation Southerner, and like butter beans are like, love of butter beans is like in our DNA. So gotta have butter beans in the freezer, and they're a bean. When beans are superstar food, all of them, great for your microbiome, great for brain health, heart health. Mixed berries, really any kind of berry. I prefer mixed, although you might be seeing just blueberry here. Mixed is my preference because it allows us to get plant variety more readily, right? You're always looking for plant variety, thinking about diversity of your gut bugs and the health of your microbiome. And lastly, baby peas, the baby peas, because these are the ones that like cook in 2 or 3 minutes, which means that you don't even have to cook them, you just have to kind of thaw them. And I love adding them to my rice and my quinoa, and I love adding them soups and stews. And again, they're a legume. And legumes are like, whoa, just way up there. We need to get more people doing more legumes for their fiber, for their plant protein, and other goodies they have in them. Anyway, so that is a great tip. Lastly, feel free to pass this video on to your friends and loved ones because the greatest gift we can give is the gift of better health. Thank you.